Guys, Waffles Empty here for another Skywars video. I'm gonna be opening a. What is this? Oh, what? Okay, hopefully I get. What can I get from this? Oh, legendary rainbow. Rare, epic, or legendary. Come on, please. I want one of those. Dun dun. One rare ghost gadget. What the heck does that do? I have no clue. But today, I'm gonna be doing some teams. Insane mode. What's a random team mode? Which kid should I go with? I'm gonna be a good teammate. Oh, no, I won't. This kid. And you know why? Yay! Yeah. Wiped out a whole team. Yeah. Oh, good. Nice tool you guys have. What's better? Hey, our teammate. And I don't know what's better, protection one. I'm gonna put this in the chest. So if he wants to grab it, he can be my guest. Oh wait, no, I need this food actually. Ooh, he's trying to. My teammate died for a second. I was like, no. Ooh. Yes. What he doesn't realize is there's someone building behind him. Teammate, don't die. There. Don't die. Don't. Just don't. Oh, I died. No. Teammate, save the day. Kill him. Kill him. They killed me, teammate. Teammate, I died because of them. Kill him. Kill him, teammate. No. Just, no. Oh, wow, my teammate got wrecked. That's fine. And I'm gonna do a repeat of that round. This time I won't feel that bad, guys, I swear. Actually, I don't promise. But, okay, guys. Night Kid again. And, yeah. Yep. Hopefully this teammate's a nice one. Swish Boy, was he? Yeah, you're a good guy. You're a good boy, Swish Boy. You're my favorite boy. Ooh. I like this. Sorry, teammate, I'm not gonna share. You have the kid I have. Swish Boy. Nice name, Swish Boy. I like your name, Swish Boy. Hey, Swish Boy. Oh, yeah. Swish Boy killed somebody? Nice, Swish Boy. Why am I calling him Swish Boy? That's a weird name. No, Swish Boy. You're gonna die. But I'm gonna go on the... No, that was the biggest fail. Swish Boy, you can do it. No. No, why'd I do that? Why'd I fail so much? I could have with the. Okay. Night kit as always. Gonna go with that. Swish boy! Hey, Swish boy! I like you just as much as you like me. Sorry, Swish boy. I'm gonna have to take off the sleeve though. Hey, Swish boy. Oh! Sorry. No. We're all good. Good, Swish boy. Good boy. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Should go up here, I agree. Totally agree. But first, let's kill this guy. We, like, annihilated that guy. Not really surprised. Swishboard and me are the bosses of the world. Ooh, diamond helmet. Thank you, Swishboard. You're a good boy, Swishy. Swishy, but I must get that chest and see what's in it. Deleted everything. Oh my god, that's... Are they teaming? Swishboard, we have to get over to... The one's at full health. And... Yeah. Swish boy. Yes, swish boy. Swish boy. Swishy boy. Swishy boy. No, I killed him. Ooh, baby, a triple. No. Swish boy. Swishy. Kill him, Swishy. Did Swishy kill anyone? That's what I'm gonna call him, Swishy. Oh, okay. Really pretty. Decently armored up. Sorry, Swishy, I'm not gonna watch it. Hopefully you win though. And I'm approaching my last round of Skywars. The new team's insane though. No. Okay, good. Cause I did not want to switch. I do not want to do. Good. Mines plays. Yes, I have Mines plays on my team. Everyone can say GG. You're gonna lose. No, teammate. No, Mines plays. No, I failed on both shots. No, Mines plays. Don't die. Don't die. Me. No, Mines plays. Die. My teammate. Ooh, nice shot. Must avenge. They're the only two boys. Things I will say for myself. Who killed him? Gruff. You will die. Yes, Gruff. Get wrecked. Ha ha, you died. Loser. I had to say that. Just cut off. Made me sad. Deep inside my heart. What the heck happened to him? He just like disappeared or died. He only had a power. Okay, I thought this is sharp misfire. I'm like, holy crappity doodles. Okay, I'm gonna have to kill somebody. Oh my gosh, basically one man on every single team except one team. Hopefully that one team is the weakest team. Okay. Well, there's a bunch of people down here. That's the one team. They have crap armor. Yes. I'm really feeling. Don't move. Pressing me out. I know where two other people are. No, no, oh. No, no. Oh, 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 oh. Oh God. Oh my God, that's good. Get out of there. Yes. Did I hit him? He's solo. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, 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 no. No, okay guys, that'll be it for today's episode. That was a good fight, but bye guys.